National Flexible is the UK's largest distributor of polypropylene, laminates and special films. We actively work with some of the biggest and best known brands and manufacturers in the UK, supplying flexible packaging films. Latest developments include a range of easy open and resealable features. The push strip closure is suitable for packaging most types of food, including powders and frozen foods, and can reseal through contamination by the product. The packaging can easily be opened and resealed, improving the functionality and handling for consumers. This increases user convenience and creates greater perceived consumer value. The velcro strip closure is extremely versatile and suitable for packaging most types of food. The strips close together with ease without the need to be lined up. The easily resealable packaging helps preserve freshness and eliminate food waste, enabling you to differentiate your product in a competitive market. The reseal label and opening can be produced in different shapes and sizes and positioned anywhere on the pack to suit your requirements. The closure is tamper evident, providing safety and peace of mind. All of the resealable features are pre-applied directly to the reel. No modifications are required to your packaging machinery, preventing the need for costly capital expenditure.